In this video, I want to show you the two fuse box location of your Fiat 500. So the first one is located in the cabin. You're gonna go in the driver footwell over here. And if you check closely, this is the first fuse box location. Now, if you want to have fully access to it, you'll need two 10mm, just one 10mm socket to remove the two 10mm bolts. One over here, and the other one is right over there. So let me show you. Okay, that's the first one. That's the second one. After doing this, you can remove this cover, simply glide it out, and now you have a better access to the first fuse box that is in the interior compartment. For the second one, we need to go under the hood, so you're gonna pull this and open the hood. For the second fuse box, this is where the battery is supposed to be. It has been removed on this car. Well, you'll go right over here on the right side, and you'll need to remove another 10mm bolt over here. Then this cover will slide and will reveal the second fuse box. If you take a look at the cover and you remove the dust, each fuses will be illustrated on a diagram, so it's easier for you to find the one that you want to replace. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, check my links in the description if you want to get the tools to do what I did today, and I'll see you in the next one.